Alright you guys, so I made it inside the Walmart. So I am seeing new Easter stuff. Let's just get right into it. Right here, this Lego one, you get the jumbo blocks as well. This is $10. So the blocks are going to be a little different. Here's what they look like. Keep in mind, Five Below does have $1,000 like on the little block set out. I think it was $11, but pretty much the same price. So if you just want a bucket of new like generic building blocks, they do have that in Five Below. But you get the big plate, a car one, and more blocks. You get 15 and this cute little tote, $10.97. Right next to me, you will get a Barbie. You get 2 outfits in here, a little bit of candy, and the basket. So it looks like all these right here are $10.97. The Barbie block, monster truck one, this is $10.97. Can we bring this down? Welch's candy, Smarties, you get 1 big car, and I think you get a little coloring page in the back. And this one is more like a beachy vibe, sandbox vibe. You get the pail, the little water game, bubbles. I don't see any candy in here. Bubbles, candy, and stuff for the beach. That's $10.97. Also, you can make your own. I mean, I feel like you could do away with that water game. We don't need that. Little kids, they're not going to care. Down here, $15.97. The sport one. You get a football, generic one, water bottle. It looks like a backpack. That's $15.97. I don't see any candy. There's like no candy. Yeah, basket, water bottle, and drawstring bag for $15.97. 16. Same down here for girls. They have it in pink and blue, the kickball style version, just like the football one. No candy. $15.97. You get the shell backpack, sunglasses, a little mermaid sipper cup, and it looks like stickers for $16. Here's a game one. Again with a little pouch. You get a pair of socks. You get a fidget clicker, water bottle, and a little squishy socks, and a charm. That is $16 as well. Down here is another little children one. You get a backpack and the Easter one, $15.97. Same with the car. So all these are like the generic. I feel like we could do a lot better.
Dollar store.
Yeah. $15.97 on the bucket. You get markers to color it, little mermaid friends, and play toys for like your pool or bathtub. We have a fishing one. Now this fishing guy right here, he has $20.97, so we're gonna round that to 21. This is everything here that you could put together. Stickers, fishing, a net.
For 15, 20 bucks, I could buy a ring
This
light
is
or
20
something,
here.
and stuff like that.
Same down here, 20. Pretend play. Dinosaur one, $15.97. I honestly feel, you guys, these baskets are pretty pricey for what you're gonna get. This one is $25.97. No candy. You get 2-in-1 fun. You get the storage bin, the little play mat, a cow, cars, and little play food. They have an astronaut one too. It does glow in the dark. You get little toys, sensory toys, astronaut, and the tote. That is $25. So depending on what you want to buy or make your own, this right here is $25. You get stickers in it, a few little toys, hair stuff, and that's all $25. And then 20, these are just balls in a basket. 20, and they have the monster one. There is a K-pop demon one. I'm not too sure how much this one is. I feel like a lot of people probably would buy that. It might be 20. You get a tote, you get a journal, build your own figurine. It looks like stickers, a poster, and a gem art thing. More balls on top. Yeah, these are 20, and no candy. There's only like one that I saw with candy. Soccer ball. The ones that are $10.97 came with candy. $16.82 here for Stitch. Paw Patrol, same price, and a Jurassic. Don't forget all your plushies. These are $3.48. You got the little duck ones. I did videos on these, so just gonna scan through them. But those Easter baskets are new. $3.48 for most of these little plushies. If you want a larger one, they're pretty much $8 here. Bunnies, pig, and your own Easter baskets, which these are $2 too. I don't see like those fun ones that they used to have. Okay, here we go. These are going to be new. They have the blue one. These are $15. And the hen one and the Highland cow one is out. How much are these? These are $15. So same price, $14.97. These are new. $11.76. It looks like Thumper, right? And it does have the year. And plenty of chocolate bunnies, like $5.97. This is $4.97. $4.97 on the golden eggs. So I'm gonna link all the Easter videos at the end of this one. They did bring the cookies and cream, $5. I haven't had the cookies and cream candy in a long time. It actually sounds pretty good. And I'm pretty sure they changed the formula, but when I was like in high school, I used to get that big bar. See, it looks like someone was trying to build their own, which is totally fine. Because some of these are $1.
Yeah, you can build that.
I did do a video on this stuff already. I'll link that. Like a lot of candy here. Cheez-Its are $1. Skittles are $1. Some are going to be $1.24, but there's quite a bit of dollar options to choose from, which is not bad. Like mini blow candy, cotton candy, even the Warhead eggs, Smarty eggs, those are $1. The Care Bear ones, the Mario, you got chocolate carrot shape, little egg shape, those are $1. And the Pixie Sticks, these are 50 cents, but they did lose weight. They are skinny now, which is kind of funny. Like $1.24 for 3. So definitely making your own basket, I feel like it'll be so much better compared to something like this, you know what I mean? I can't believe some of the prices on these baskets are actually kind of crazy. Like especially these $20 ones. You know what they don't have? The pre-made Hello Kitty ones. Actually, they have them in a little backpack form. I believe they're mainly sold out now, but they have like a bluey one and Hello Kitty, and I think they're $15.74. So, but definitely make your own, just like that person, whoever was making that. Tons of Peeps are here. Like normally Peeps sells out really, really fast. Oh, can you put that way? See, they added a lot of dollar stuff in here. They added good stuff in here. But Peeps normally does sell out, and I'm surprised they are just busy with it. Guess a lot of people are not buying them. I mean, which is perfectly fine, understandable. Look at this duck. The chick, she's 20. Your egg chalk right here is only $1, and your single ones are only $1. Again, I will link this video at the end. I did go through all this stuff. Everything here, that's $1, like in green, and I believe the orange ones are like $3.78, something like that. All the fun build items for Easter. See, $15.74. They got the backpack. Where's the Hello Kitty one? There's no Neatos. Neatos are gone. Target has Neatos if they're not gone. But a lot of people are, you know, looking for them, and they're sold out everywhere.
The chocolate mold.
Oh yes, the chocolate mold is pretty cool, right? Alright, you guys, that is gonna do it. I did want to share those pre-made baskets for you that are popping in Walmart. In my personal opinion, I feel like they're not really worth it. Are you guys gonna buy one, or are you just gonna make your own and fill it up with goodies that you know your kids will like and eat or whatnot, you know what I mean? Peeps clothing. Please stay safe out there. Thank you all so much for joining me in all these walkthroughs. Please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me, help my channel, helps my channel grow. It helps new people come to my channel, which you should, because it's fun over here. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.